Good morning.
Good morning.
It's really afternoon, it's 1:30.
It's really hot outside.
No. I know you'll be able to hear it, but it's way too
They
hot.
won't be able to hear anything.
It's way too hot to not have the air on.
I know, they won't be able to hear anything.
It's okay, it's okay.
It like defeats the purpose.
We are driving to lunch right now. We just did some tidying this morning and some hanging out. And now we're headed to lunch. And then we're gonna go to Ikea.
Ikea!
We have nothing that we need.
Nope.
But we're going just for fun, and we'll probably find something that we don't need and buy it.
No, we definitely need what we find.
Lies.
Totally need.
But right now we're just going to Global Quesadilla, which is like literally right next to our apartment. So.
Ooh. This is like the day to go to the pool. Well, this might be actually
it's really hot. I would fry.
You would
went to the pool right now.
I would look great.
You would look fabulous.
Fabulous.
Tell the vlog where we are.
What?
Welcome to our new laundry.
Yep, we went to Ikea, so we're looking around. And probably spending more than we should.
There's a bad storm happening outside that started while we were in here, and it's very loud.
It's very loud. It's crazy, it keeps going.
But we might come home with a desk today.
I'm not sure why you would put a timer in the... I guess just to have a clock in here.
Yeah. Or what if, sometimes these don't like alert you when they go off.
That's true.
Depends on what kind you got. Oh, that's nice. A little closet for your mopping and vacuum needs.
Oh yeah.
But that's a steamer, so.
Yeah, perfect
Your
for steamer.
steaming needs. So it's been a minute since we picked up the camera. But we got back from Ikea and we didn't buy much. We bought some like homey bits. Bought some more hangers for Jake. These are ones he likes. And then we bought a little strainer thing and a potato masher that is stuck to the hangers. But that's all we got from Ikea, really. We almost bought a desk, but we decided to hold off on that and look online and see if there's anything we like better. But after that, we went to Costco, bought some groceries, and got acai bowls because we thought that'd be yummy. And we also bought these cool lunch boxes that are here that are like nice. They were 10 bucks, so got those. But now we are going to tackle the boxes in our den, and I just wanted to film it before we tackle this mess because it's a mess. So we've been hoarding boxes because we know we're gonna move soon. Sorry for the lighting in here. We have a colorful lamp that like puts off weird light. But we know we're gonna move soon, so we have like just boxes that we're hoarding. But like Jake decided that today we should probably just tear them all down. It'll cost us money and tape to build them back up, but we need to figure this ish out. But here's what we got. Dun, dun, dun. Boxes upon boxes upon boxes upon boxes, and a studio light because casual. But this needs to go. So, oh, and more pile of boxes there. We got a lot of gifts for our wedding. Came in boxes that are here. We have some like food in here, like Capri Sun and vitamin water. We also have boxes of stuff for my cousin that's like kitchen stuff that we upgraded from wedding gifts. We like upgraded this kitchen stuff, so we're gonna give her a bunch of stuff because she's going into college, and we thought she'd appreciate it because we would appreciate it. We appreciated hand-me-downs when we were going into college. But like we also have this whole stack of boxes in our closet in here, and like it's just a lot. So we are about to take care of that. Ready for a time lapse? Go. So this is what we're working with. This many boxes.
And this.
And Capri Suns. Pepper is very
Sun.
confused. What's going on to Pep? Why is there so many boxes in our living room? What's going on?
Sebastian
So we
playing
need to
Grand Theft Auto.
get rid of all of these. So this is what I was saying, how like all these boxes down here that are taped up are for my cousin, and this with the blenders. And then we're keeping a couple of things for us to move some of our new stuff. And then this is we're just not hanging up new decor that we got for the wedding yet. But we're gonna watch Queer Eye while we do this mess because I'm obsessed. We're on season 2 and I love it so much. And they just announced that they're doing season 3 in Kansas City. They just like officially announced it. Like people have known for a while, but they just officially announced that season 3 like actually got picked up, which is so exciting. Back in our hometown. I wish I was living there so that I could maybe see them around town because that would be incredible. You ready, babe?
Ready.
Want to tackle this project? Whoop whoop. Operation Reduce the Box Pile. Commence.
Okay.
Oh, I went in for a high five and you turned around.
Da-na-na-na-na.
Pep's like, no. No slow motion.
Na 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 na. I fell. I So we finished. It was madness. So we have, this is the keep pile. Not much. This is the get rid of pile. Absolute madness. This is like covering up a majority of it. Look at that. Look at that. I call that a success. It's awesome. But we're exhausted. We're gonna finish the show because we're halfway through. And then probably crash.
Probably. That took longer than expected. I wanted to do yoga tonight, but that took a long time. We should have done yoga and saved the boxes for tomorrow.
Sunrise yoga.
Whoop, 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 whoop.